哈卡
，and 爱哈嘎
，We love 哈卡。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲哈嘎吧。
Hey, it's time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林，有没有感觉很开心啊？
有啊！
哎呀，我跟你讲，
中大奖啊！
今年年初呢，尾牙又抽到大奖，然后呢，上个礼拜呢，这个中乐透，但没有到大奖了，但是终于到1000元了啦！
真的，
以前中50，我就好开心哎
！1000块要请客，要请客哦！
Yes, I got lucky for the very first time, winning a little bit bigger at the lotto, and also I won, some prizes at our 尾牙 a few months ago. So let's teach you this scenario. 第一次怎么说呢？第一次
T100.
T100. Okay, that means the first time. This is the first time I actually won something big. 我第一次抽到大奖哎！
爱 T100.
爱 T100.
出到台中呢？
出到台中呢？
那你很开心的讲，爱 T100 出到台中呢？
要这样子，知道吗？哎，大奖就是台中嘛，对不对？然后抽就叫做除 ，OK， that means to draw, lucky draw 一样，
抽到了就除到
，OK， wow, we all hope that we can win big, of course, right？ 好了，你运气真好，我不曾中过大奖，怎么说 ？You have good luck, but I've never won anything big, you know？
懂好运，
懂好运，
爱唔是，
爱唔是。
抽过台中，
抽过台中 ，OK。
懂好运，俺唔是抽过台中
啊，俺唔是抽过台中，就是我从来没有中过大奖，没有抽到大奖嘛。因为刚刚讲过，抽过就是中过大奖。
我就是啊。
对啊。
所以我
搞不好有中过什么头奖几亿，你也不会说，对不对？
还没有嘞。
糖果一包，是不是？好了，哎呀，运气真好，that means you have good luck，OK？ 懂好运 ，that means you have good luck。Alright， 那既然中大奖了，通常呢会要请客了啦。If you won big and you let everyone know, you have to treat everyone to dinner or something, right? 好了，今天晚上呢，我请你吃饭。I'll treat you to dinner tonight.
安补呀，
安补呀，
爱呛50番啦，
爱呛50番啦 ，OK？ 呛就是请你嘛，哈，然后4番吃饭 ，Yeah, and 安补呀 tonight, right? Okay, that's very good. Let's review some of these phrases. 抽到大奖。
出到台中，
出到台中 ，OK, that means to 抽到 to draw out and win a big prize, all right? 那运气真好呢 ，you have very good luck.
懂好运，
懂好运 ，OK, that means good luck. And then 要请人家吃饭，请怎么说？呛 that means to treat someone. And it's all about 第一次啦 first time.
T100.
T100. Now you know that that's today's practical Hakka.
什么台噶？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.